To install a litter trap, firstly check the grate. If the grate is removable, remove for easier installation. Place the bracket at approximately 200 mm below the grate, or low enough to intercept any curb entry inlet, and ensure it is level. Using the rotary hammer drill, drill holes into the concrete basin using the bracket holes as guidelines. Insert the masonry bolt and, using the ratchet, secure the masonry bolts through the bracket into the basin wall and tighten to secure. Repeat for the other side, using the second masonry bolt. Please note, some basins may require 3 bolts. Place the filter box onto the bracket assembly and position below the grate opening. Next, install the plastic seals. Measure and trim the plastic seals to size with the box knife as necessary, making sure the seals are flush with the inside filter box edge. Secure them using the self-drilling screws. Complete on all 4 sides, screwing through the filter box into the bracket. To complete assembly, simply lower the litter trap filter bag into the basin, making sure it's snug. Lastly, replace the grate and installation is complete.